What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And if you're watching this video, you are on day 18 of the 5K program. So once again, congratulations. You deserve a stand-up ovation is what you deserve. So congratulations. We're really proud of you. I know Coach Robin is really proud of you as well. And well, it's day 18. It's a workout day, so let's get busy. All right, well, I know you're all ready. I know you're getting excited. You want to hit the road. You want to get out there. So I'm just going to hand you right over to Coach Robin. She's going to take you away.
All right, guys. We had a nice rest day yesterday. Drop the comments in below and let me know what you did on your rest day. I did some yoga on the beach, and it felt really, really good. But I am ready to run today. So let's get out there and do our workout. Again, the same thing as 2 days ago. Walk 2 minutes, run 2 minutes, total of 5 times, total workout 20 minutes. All right, guys? So I know you can do it. You've been doing it already for 2 days, so it's the same thing that we've been doing. But don't worry, don't get bored, because the next time we meet for a run, it's going to be another bump up day. Remember, Saturdays are our bump up days. But I'm going to get you through it. We're going to take it nice and easy. And we are going to get to our goal. So I am going to get ready to warm up. I am ready to warm up. How about you guys? You guys ready? All right, let's go. Wow, that was a little warm today, but I got through it and I feel great now. Now that I'm done, you always feel great when you're done, right? Sometimes it's a little hard to get motivated to get out there, but once you get done, you feel great that you did it. So keep making the right choice to just get out there and get it done. So my workout was great. I know yours was too. And let's see, tomorrow is a rest day. And I'm going to come to you and I am going to talk about hydration tomorrow, all right? So I like to talk about a topic on Fridays. That's what I've decided to do. So I will see you tomorrow for a little talk on hydration. Until then, have a great one.
Once again, guys, I have to say congratulations. You're doing fantastic. Just keep hitting play, and you'll get through it. You're through day 18 now. Tomorrow's day 19, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 19. See you later, everybody. Oh yeah, and also before we leave, if you do like this program, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified every time we put up a video. We put up a lot of health related videos, so they kind of go in line with the 5K program. So if you're doing the 5K program and you follow along with the tips on the other tips or the other videos, then you'll definitely get into fantastic shape. So until tomorrow, we'll see you, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.